Hello everyone, welcome to the Drunken Sailor Cocktail Channel. You've got me, Bill the Drunken Sailor, and this is the place where we make fun, exciting, tasty cocktails. Well, they tell us spring is right around the corner. They say spring is here. It is on the calendar, but boy, we've been fighting it. And I'm going to try and pull ourselves right into springtime because we've got a really interesting cocktail today that just screams freshness. It's a riff on a classic. And this classic is well over 100 years old. And that classic is the Negroni. We like this one because it's a nice, simple cocktail to make. It's easy parts. So if you want to find out how to make this cocktail, stick around, watch the video. We'll have a recipe card on the end. But in the meantime, let's get pouring today's cocktail, the Limoncello Negroni. The Negroni itself is well over 100 years old. And that is a riff on a cocktail that was called the Americano. But as I said, there's been hundreds of variations to it, and today's screams freshness. The cocktail is simple, equal parts, and there's only 3 ingredients to it. Our first one is limoncello. Now this is our homemade limoncello. You can get stuff in the store, in the liquor store. I like mine better. And you'll see in the description a link to the video that we've done show you how to make it. We're going to put in there 1 ounce of limoncello. Our next ingredient in there is vermouth. Now, typically with a Negroni, you use a sweet or red vermouth. Now, there's 2 other kinds of vermouth. We had talked about it a couple of weeks ago, both a dry vermouth and also a blanc vermouth. The blanc is a little bit sweeter, more herbaceous, a little flowery in comparison to the dry. And that's going to pair nicely with that limoncello. Simple quantity, 1 ounce, just like the limoncello. The one thing that stays the same with this cocktail is the gin. And we are using Tanqueray 10. It's a London dry gin, 1 ounce. That's everything we need to put in the glass. But what we're going to do is ice this up, stir it down to chill it. Good 30, 40 times around that stirring glass, and that's going to get that nice and cold for you. Now, simply to prepare our glass, we just need 1 large ice cube. Drop that in the glass, and now we're going to pour. Using a julep strainer. And if you like these tools or you need to get some of these tools, you'll also see a link in the description to our Amazon shopping page. Just pour that slowly over that ice cube. And you get that beautiful, nice, clear, springtime looking Negroni. But before you take a sip, what I want to do is take a lemon, and we're going to take a nice, wide lemon peel. Take that twist and just put it over the top of the cocktail. Give it a squeeze. Drop that in there. And there you have today's cocktail, the Limoncello Negroni. Let's give this a taste. This one tastes really bright and refreshing. You've got the floral flavors in there. You've got the herbal flavors in there. That lemon just brightens everything up. This one is a winner. Cheers, everyone.